Hey everyone, today we're going to show you how to send money from your Lloyds Bank account to someone else outside the UK. So it's usually pretty simple and straightforward once you know exactly where to go. So in this video, we're going to walk you through the entire process. So first, you're going to have to log into your Lloyds online banking account. So either through the website or the mobile app. And once you're in, you then have to head over to the payments and transfer section. So that's where all the magic happens. Next, you're also going to have to select international payment, or it's also sometimes called send money abroad. After you do that, you then need to enter the recipient's details like their full name, bank name, IBAN or account number, and the SWIFT or BIC code. So make sure not to skip the steps because any tiny mistake can delay your transfer. Then you're going to have to choose the currency you want to send and the amount. So Lloyds usually shows you the exchange rate and fees before you confirm, so you know exactly what the recipient will get when it's sent. It's also a good idea to double check the rate because sometimes it fluctuates a bit and you might also get lucky, But once everything looks good, you also have to confirm the payment, and depending on your security settings, Lloyds may ask for a security code from your card reader or a text message code to authorize the transfer. This keeps your money safe and secure. And that's it. So the transfer usually takes at least 1 to 3 business days depending on the recipient's bank and country. So you can also track the transaction in your Lloyds account so you know when it's been received. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you in the next one.